Checking your SRX800 telemetry receiver to ensure it's data logging before you leave your setup. Here is a keypad mock-up for the SRX800. First off, you must log on. To do any changes on your receiver, press 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the standard password unless you have changed it. Check to make sure that your memory is empty by pressing the info key and then 2 for memory. In my case, it looks like I have a bit of errant, probably battery OKs or some other test sort of information. So I'm going to go out of the memory status and I'm going to go into code log, and then I'm going to start, and it says record data in log. I'm going to press 1 for that, and it says continue to log data, but I'm going to delete what I have on board, so I have to hit the enter key and then number 2, delete all data, and the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again, and that should set my memory to full 16,000 kilobits. Hit the backspace key and then press 1 to continue to log data. It's going to be showing you scanning for ID tag. In my case, I have an ID 38. If you have sensor tags, it'll show different items like temperature, motion, pressure, whatever kind of tags you have. And as you can see, signal strength here is 206. I'm in the office. You most likely will not get something that high if you are out in the field and your tag is at a distance. You also may have your tag overpowered if you're standing right beside your receiver. So if you're doing a test like this, you may want to turn down your gain, but I would suggest against just put your tag further away from your receiver so that you can pick it up at the maximum level like what you're seeing here. Now, just to check to make sure that the tag is being logged in memory, there's a simple and quick test. Just hit end escape, stop your code logging, and then hit end escape a couple more times, and it's going to go back to this main menu here, user keypad online and mode setup, and then just press the info key again, number 2 for memory, and you'll see that it's used 1 kilobit of the 16,000 available. Some SRX800s do have only 4 megabytes available, so it'll show something like 4,000 or so of 4,000 and something. Anyways, you'll see that it has just dropped down from the even number to an odd number, and that verifies that you have memory being stored on board. Hit end escape a couple of times, go to your code log, press 2 for start, record data in log, and then continue to log data, and you should be fairly satisfied that your receiver is running and logging. Good way to check is to make sure that you do have a signal strength and the ID.